Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video where I'm just going to use some stuff and go to town. So I did take up a challenge. One of the challenges is over at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and I am using Let's Wander from Vicki Boutin just to give you an idea of the collection. And the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, I did a challenge over there that came from Simon Hurley, and it's one of the designer challenge. I was supposed to use 3 of his colors and one of his stamp or his stencil set. Well, because I don't have the particular stencil set that he wanted, and I only had 2 out of the 3 colors for his stamp sets, I had to dig into my stamp set through Close to My Heart to get what I want. So you see the 3 colors right here, the gold, the red, and the teal. Now what I decided to do is that they're sitting off to the side, so I'll tell you the 3 colors as we go. Now I wanted to use this pre-made mixed media color set that comes through Vicki Boutin's new collection. And I absolutely love it. Now, normally I don't tend to like mixed media pieces because they always add gold and it drives me nuts. However, this particular one, it has gold, but it's just a little bit of linings. So here I come in with the 3 colors. The stencil is from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. She sent this over, and what I'm using is Saffron from Close to My Heart. And I'm adding wherever the color is for the hearts, or where on the mixed media, that's where I'm putting the heart stencil at. So I'm taking my little ink pad sets there, the daubers is what I use for, and it's from Simple Stories. It's the 2x2 refill or like protector sheets, and that's what I use for my daubers. Now this is the bee sting, and this is one of the colors from Simon Hurley. And that's where I do with that one too. I do the same thing. Wherever the red is at is where I went. And wherever the blue was at, that's where it is at. And wherever the yellow is at, that's what I use. And the blue color is sky something. I'll link it down below. I can't see it quite there. Maybe I'll be able to see it. But I do the same thing here, and I add just a little bit more to it. But there are the 3 colors that we were supposed to use. Now, this does look like a hot mess, but by the time I get everything put on there, it literally ties in wonderful that you really don't even realize that, one, I'm using like Foss mixed media paper where it looked like I did the mixed media. And then the stenciling fits right into it because I pulled the exact same colors. And I really love this particular collection from Vicki Boutin because of the color tones. The color tones are very vintage, and I love the muted darker colors to about everything. Now, you guys do know that I do use quite a bit of lighter colors, softer colors anyway, because that's what I tend to gravitate to. But I really love this collection, and what I did is that I ordered a $30 collection or a kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club for this one, and then I realized that I wish I would have had more of it. So I happened to go out, enabler alert, I happened to go out to Cherry on Top or scrapbook.com, one of the two. I think it's a Cherry on Top. And I ordered, nope, I'll take that back. I went to Paper Issues. That's where I went to go get it. And I got some more of it because you can get 20% off just by using their code FRIENDS. You always get 20% off if you use that. So I just went and got some extra ones because I feel that this collection will go really, really well with a lot of the pictures from Cuba. Not the whole trip from when we went and did our anniversary trip last year and when we went on that cruise, because Miami is, Miami, and you got to have brighter colors and things like that because it's Miami. But the tones and stuff that's in this particular collection for the pictures I have for Cuba, this will work perfectly. So that's why I went and got it more after I started doing it. And of course it's a vacation collection, but even with the vacation collection, it's not that bad. And I am super sorry that I'm sitting here and letting sometimes of this just sit there. I have been Zooming with scrappy friends as I'm videotaping and talking. I forget sometimes that I am filming and I got to stop the film when I'm talking, or otherwise you'll see just these little bloops and blops of what you did of dead space. But it's hard to take those out and without it making it look choppy. I hate that. I don't particularly like making my videos choppy. I try not to. I try to make it as seamless as possible. So, but my title is going to be Heck Yes, because my daughter, this is the last day of school for Kaylin in her first grade year, and this is the last photo of her first grade year. I've got it all caught up. There may be one more. Nope, this is it. We've got it all done. This is awesome. This is the last page. Now, I may have other layouts that are going to go up on my channel that I filmed prior to this one that's going up after this, but this is the very last one of it, and now I can work on the summer for it. Because of all of second grade, there isn't, believe it or not, there isn't that much for me to scrapbook this year because of everything that's going on. They weren't able to do field day. They weren't able to do their normal field trip that they normally go on, and things like that. So I won't have as much. However, I will have a lot of the pictures and stuff of the, homeschooling / quarantine, if you want to call it, for this particular time in her life. It is what it is. And so I just document, I leave that postcard section there. It is a postcard, but I've covered up the back part of it and just left it as is. And I didn't put any layering other than the tissue paper that you already saw me put on. I leave this camera there. I absolutely don't care that this is just sticking down, like a paper clip. It doesn't bother me at all. It's fine by me. Some people may not like it, but it doesn't bother me a bit. And I do add this piece, and you'll see that I do cut it and make it just like something fun down there in the corner. And I just add it to where I just love how this works. I was going to add this piece over there, and then I realized, nope, I'm going to take it up and then make it kind of like a loopy-loop type thing. And again, I do love how this turns out. I take all the swirly little arrows because I think it's perfect for this particular layout. I just love, I'm telling you, I love how this one turned out. The color combo is perfect. I'm pulling the flowers and just everything of this particular color combo is coming out of the flowers. Now, she is wearing softer pastel colors because that's what my daughter wears. However, because of the color combo that I picked originally and then the mixed media in the background, there are tons of the darker tones, but yet lighter tones that this photo just matches up perfectly. Like, it's been a long time since I've actually matched up everything without turning a photo black and white with it, if it's not the original. So I just add this shelf, and I just add little pieces that kind of seem like would match for it being a last day of school without actually using that as a title. Because I didn't put down that it was the last day of school, because I used the word as heck yes, because it is fun that it is her last day of school for that. So I'm just going in and adding little bits of stars and hearts and anything else that I could see on there. I do get out the gold splatters from Shimmers, which is Goldilocks, and I add that everywhere on it just to add that little bit of something, and then that is it. Make sure that you go like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. If you are new to my channel, that would be amazing. I also want to make sure that you guys are staying safe. Make sure you stay home safe and all of that. I hope that you enjoy this layout, and I hope that you come back. Now, I do finish this out with a little bits of ice cream and things like that, and then that is it. I hope that you like this. Make sure you hit that like button. The still shots are coming up, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope that you have a wonderful day as well. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.